Hello, everyone. Good evening, and welcome back to our weekly series about project explanation from a business and technical perspective, where we try to understand the various different projects which have been done by our talented data specialist team. We will try to explore the various different parts of the project that are undertaken whenever any successful project needs to be done. Today, we are going to talk about optimization of raw materials to achieve efficient grades of steel. And joining us today, we have Sai Kirti. Good evening, Sai Kirti, and welcome.
Yeah, good evening, Aditya.
So, Sai Kirti, let's get into the project and let us try to understand the business side of the project that we are dealing with.
Yes. So here, this particular project regarding the optimization of raw materials for achieving the efficient grades of steel, we have a business problem over here. This business problem is regarding we have to determine the best combination of raw materials. We already know while we are manufacturing the steel, we have multiple raw materials used like iron ore, scrap metal, additives, etc., etc. So out of all these combination of raw materials, we have to come up with the best combination of raw materials. Along with that, we also have to focus on the energy inputs. Based on the raw materials used, the energy consumption will also change, which leads to the cost also. So we have to focus on the combination of raw materials and also the energy consumption. And at most, we have to produce the high quality grade of steel. That is the problem that we are focusing on in this particular project. And we have multiple objectives to achieve over here. One of such objective is we have to maximize the steel quality. So we should not compromise about the quality of steel. The steel grade should be at most perfect. And also we have to have minimum cost used in the manufacturing process. So we have the objectives like maximizing the steel quality and also minimizing the cost. Along with that, we also have to focus on minimizing the energy usage. So our constraint over here is we have to minimize the energy consumption, the energy usage. And talking about the success criteria, we have two types of success criteria. One is business success criteria, and the second one is economic success criteria. Talking about business success criteria, we have to reduce the processing time by 50%. So processing time is nothing but the time that we are using or that is taking for manufacturing of steel. We have to reduce that time by 50%. And talking about economic success criteria over here, we need to achieve a cost saving of at least $1 million. So this is regarding our project problem statements and all.
So, can you just walk us through the model architecture?
Yes, talking about this architecture over here, basically we know the steps present while we are working on a project. First, we have to properly understand our problem statements like what is the problem that we have, what is the objective that we want to achieve. After successfully understanding all those things, we will get into the second phase, which is data collection or data understanding. So here we got data collection. After collecting the data, we have to perform or we have to clean the data by performing exploratory data analysis. For that part, we have used here MySQL and Python. And after successfully completing the data pre-processing part, we will get the cleaned data, which we will use for visualizing the data using some visualization tools like.
Sai Kirti, I think we have lost your voice.
Uh, you can't hear me, Aditya? Aditya, can you hear me? Aditya, can you hear me? Aditya, are you getting my voice? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me, Aditya?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I think my side it's fine. Okay, now it's fine, right?
Yes, yes, we can continue.
Yeah. Talking about this model architecture, we will go through the business understanding first, and then we will get into the data collection part. After collecting the data, we need to clean the data. We can't perform the analysis of data on raw data, which is not having much details regarding whatever that is necessary. So we need to come up with exploratory data analysis part. We will perform the data pre-processing steps, whichever are required. After that, we will successfully get our clean data. And that clean data we will use for visualization part over here. For this project, we have done the visualization using Power BI, Tableau, and Looker Studio. After getting the visualizations, we know we will get insights which will be useful for the end user regarding the business problem that we have.
All right. And can you just walk us through what we see on this dashboard here?
Yeah, this is the sample dashboard that we have created in order to showcase which combination of materials will be optimal out of all. If you can see here, the bottom table, there is orange color optimal present that is showcasing over there which combination is optimal out of all present. For this, we have used some optimization techniques. We have come up with some formula. Based on that, we have created this dashboard. And this chemistry analysis is regarding all the chemicals that we have used for producing the steel. And for that optimal combination of materials, we can see the chemistry analysis also over here. And the current oxygen, how much it is taking, and what are the additives used, everything we can see in a single overview dashboard.
Well, thank you so much, Kirti, for joining this session today and walking us through the various different details of the project. And thank you so much to everyone who has tuned in for such an amazing explanation. Please follow us on our Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn page so that you will always stay up to date regarding the various different projects that we're undertaking. So thank you so much, everyone, and have a great evening.
Thank you.